Listen carefully. Today is not just another English class. Today, you will train your ears and your mouth at the same time. This is Listen and Speak, real American conversation, slow and clear. In this lesson, you will hear natural American English, understand how real conversations flow, repeat confidently, build speaking speed step by step. No complicated grammar, no textbook English, only real-life American conversation. Speak after me, feel the rhythm, notice the tone. Let's begin. Good morning. How's your day going so far? Honestly, it's been pretty good. A little busy, but good. That sounds nice. Busy in a good way or stressful? Busy in a productive way. I'm getting things done. I like that. Staying productive feels satisfying. Exactly. When I finish my tasks, I feel more relaxed. Do you usually plan your day in advance? Yeah, I try to. It helps me stay focused. Same here. Without a plan, I get distracted easily. That happens to me too. Especially with my phone. Phones are dangerous for productivity. Seriously, one notification turns into 20 minutes. So true. Do you turn off notifications? Sometimes, when I really need to concentrate. That's smart. Focus is everything. Absolutely. When I focus deeply, I work faster. And when you work faster, you get more free time. Exactly. Then I can relax without guilt. That's the best kind of relaxation. By the way, what do you usually do to relax? I like going for a walk in the evening. That sounds peaceful. It is. Fresh air clears my mind. Do you listen to music while walking? Sometimes. But sometimes I just enjoy the silence. Silence is underrated. Very underrated. It helps me think clearly. I agree. Quiet moments reset your brain. Definitely. After a quiet walk, I feel refreshed. That's powerful. Small habits make a big difference. They really do. Consistency matters more than intensity. I love that mindset. Thanks. I've learned it over time. Learning slowly but consistently is the key. Exactly. Slow progress is still progress. That's a great way to see it. How long have you been practicing English? For a while now. I try to practice every day. That's impressive. Daily practice builds confidence. It does. Even 10 minutes helps. 10 focused minutes are better than 1 distracted hour. Absolutely. Quality over quantity. Right. So what's your biggest challenge in English? Sometimes I understand everything, but I hesitate to speak. That's very common. Really? Yes. Many learners feel that way. Why does that happen? Because the brain wants perfection. That makes sense. But communication isn't about perfection. It's about clarity. Exactly. If people understand you, you're successful. That's encouraging to hear. Good. Now tell me, do you think in English? Not always. Sometimes I translate first. That slows you down. I know. I'm trying to change that. Good. Start with small English thoughts. Like what? Simple thoughts like, I'm tired. I'm hungry. This is interesting. That's doable. Very doable. Train your brain daily. I'll start doing that. Great. Confidence grows with repetition. Sometimes I feel nervous speaking to native speakers. That's normal. What should I do? Speak slowly. Don't rush. Even if my grammar isn't perfect. Yes. Slow and clear beats fast and confusing. That makes me feel better. Good. Remember, calm voice equals confident voice. I'll remember that. Also, listen carefully to how Americans connect words. You mean like, gonna, instead of, going to. Exactly. Natural rhythm matters. Should I copy their accent? Focus on clarity first. Accent comes later. That's reassuring. Clarity builds trust. Trust builds connection. Connection builds opportunity. Wow, that's powerful. It's true. Communication changes everything. I want to become more fluent this year. You can, but stay consistent. How often should I practice? Every single day, even 5 minutes. That sounds manageable. It is. Small daily effort creates big results. I'll commit to that. Good. And remember this. What? Don't be afraid of mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes. Exactly. Fluency is flow, not perfection. That changes my perspective. Good. That's the goal. Let's continue going deeper. Imagine you meet someone new at work. Hey, nice to meet you. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you too, Alex. I'm Ryan. So, how long have you been working here? I just started last week. Oh nice, welcome to the team. Thanks, I'm still learning how everything works. That's normal. The first week is always overwhelming. Yeah, there's a lot to remember. Don't worry, it gets easier every day. I hope so. It will. Just ask questions when you're unsure. That's good advice. No problem. We've all been there. Now notice something. The sentences are simple, but the tone makes it natural. Real American conversations are not complicated. They are clear. Let's continue. Imagine you're at a coffee shop. Hi, can I get a medium latte, please? Sure. Hot or iced? Hot, please. Anything else? That's all for now. Your total is $5.75. Here you go. Thanks. It'll be ready in a minute. Thank you. Simple, clear, natural. Now let's practice expressing opinions. What do you think about remote work? Honestly, I think it's great for flexibility. I agree. It saves a lot of commuting time. True, but sometimes I miss face-to-face interaction. Yeah, working from home can feel isolating. Exactly. Balance is important. Notice how opinions are expressed. I think, I agree, true, but, exactly. These are natural connectors. Use them often. Now let's practice disagreement politely. I think we should finish this today. I see your point, but we might need more time. That's fair. What do you suggest? Maybe we can complete half today and finish tomorrow. That sounds reasonable. See? No fighting. No tension. Just calm communication. Now let's practice small talk. Beautiful weather today, isn't it? Yeah, it's perfect outside. Feels good after all that rain. Definitely. I'm glad the sun is back. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Nothing big. Probably just relaxing. That sounds nice. Simple conversation, but powerful for connection. Now let's move into confident speaking. Someone asks you, tell me about yourself. Instead of panicking, structure it. Sure, I'm someone who enjoys learning and improving. I've been working on my communication skills, and I'm focused on becoming more confident in professional situations. Clear. Short. Strong. No complicated grammar. Now imagine someone challenges your idea. I'm not sure that will work. That's okay. What concerns you the most? Open response. Not defensive. That shows maturity. Let's practice expressing feelings. I'm a little nervous about the presentation. That's completely understandable. I just don't want to mess up. You won't. Preparation makes a huge difference. Thanks. That helps. Notice the emotional support language. Completely understandable. That helps. I appreciate that. These phrases build warmth. Now let's practice future plans. What are your goals this year? I want to improve my English fluency and build stronger communication skills. That's a great goal. Yeah, I'm taking it seriously this time. That's the right mindset. Notice the confidence tone. Not dramatic. Not loud. Calm and steady. Now let's focus on natural reactions. Really? That's awesome. No way. Seriously. That makes sense. I didn't think about it like that. That's interesting. These small reactions make you sound alive in conversation. Without reactions, speech feels robotic. Add feeling. Now something very important. When you don't understand something, say, "Sorry, could you repeat that?" Or, "Could you say that a little slower?" Or, "I didn't catch that last part." These are confident sentences. Not embarrassing. Confident. Now let's practice a short real-life conversation at a gym. "Hey, is this machine free?" "Yeah, I'm done with it." "Thanks. How many sets did you do?" 3 sets of 10. "Nice. I'm trying to build strength too." Consistency is key. For sure. See how natural that sounds. Now imagine a networking event. "So what do you do?" "I work in digital marketing. I help brands grow online." That's interesting. What do you enjoy most about it? "I enjoy the creativity and problem solving." That sounds rewarding. It is. It keeps me learning. This is how real professional conversations sound. Now let's strengthen fluency rhythm. Repeat this naturally. "I'm working on becoming better every day." "I don't need to be perfect. I need to be consistent." Small progress is still progress. Confidence grows when action repeats. Say them out loud. Feel the rhythm. Now let's go deeper into mindset. Fluency is not about speaking fast. Fluency is about speaking without fear. Fear slows you down. Clarity speeds you up. And practice removes fear. Every time you speak, your brain rewires. Every repetition builds comfort. Every clear sentence builds identity. You are not trying to speak English. You are becoming a communicator. That identity shift matters. Now imagine 6 months from now. You speak calmly. You respond without freezing. You don't translate. You think directly in English. That version of you is possible. But it starts here. With slow, clear repetition. With real conversations. With daily practice. Let's continue building even more depth in your speaking power. Imagine someone gives you feedback. "I think you can improve your presentation skills." "Thank you for the feedback. I'll definitely work on that." Notice something. No ego. No defense. Just growth mindset. Now imagine success. "You did an amazing job today. I really appreciate that. I worked hard on it." Simple. Confident. Balanced. Not, "No, no, it was nothing." Not, "Yeah, I know." Just calm confidence. Now let's practice a slightly longer real American conversation. "Hey, you look busy. Everything okay?" "Yeah, just a lot on my plate today." "I get that. Deadlines." "Exactly. Trying to finish everything before Friday. That can be stressful." "It is, but I'm managing it step by step." That's the right approach. "Thanks. I've learned not to panic." Notice the emotional control. Step by step. "I'm managing it. I've learned not to panic." These phrases show maturity. Now imagine a deeper conversation. Do you ever feel stuck in life? Honestly, yes. Sometimes I feel like I'm not moving fast enough. That's normal. Growth takes time. I know. I just don't want to waste time. You're not wasting time if you're improving. That's true. I guess progress isn't always visible. Exactly. Sometimes the biggest growth happens quietly. That sounds powerful. Real conversations are not perfect grammar contests. They are emotional exchanges. Now let's strengthen your speaking structure. When answering a bigger question, use this format. Direct answer, short explanation, personal example. For example, why do you want to improve your English? I want to improve my English because communication creates opportunity. In today's world, strong communication opens professional and personal doors. For example, better English helps me connect with international clients and grow my confidence. Clear, structured, natural. Now let's talk about energy control. If you speak too fast, people feel rushed. If you speak too softly, people feel uncertain. If you speak too loudly, people feel pressure. Balanced tone wins. Calm voice, controlled speed, clear pauses. That is American professional communication style. Now imagine you are speaking to your audience directly. You're not just learning English. You're training presence. You're training calm thinking. You're training emotional stability. That's bigger than language. Now one more important practice. When you make a mistake, don't stop completely. Correct smoothly. Example. I went there yesterday. Keep moving. Fluency is flow. Flow is more important than perfection. Now let's do a confidence reflection. Repeat slowly. I am building strong communication skills. I speak clearly and calmly. I don't rush my words. I don't fear mistakes. I improve every day. Say it with belief. Because identity creates behavior. Now let's close this class properly. Listen carefully. English is not about sounding American overnight. It's about sounding confident in your own voice. Slow practice builds fast thinking. Clear sentences build strong presence. Real conversations build real confidence. If today's lesson helped you think differently, speak differently, or feel more confident, then keep going. Consistency beats motivation. Daily practice beats long breaks. And real improvement comes from repetition. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep building. If you want more real American conversation practice, slow and clear speaking lessons, and practical communication training, make sure you stay connected here. This is not just English practice. This is confidence training. And we're just getting started. See you in the next class.